Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you couldn't already tell by the title, today we are going to be showing you 4 different types of slime. So, this is a Shark Attack Slimy Gloop. It includes clear blue slimy gloop with crystal beads and holographic silver glitter. This is a slime KK made with metallic pink glue. Let's open them up. So, as you can already tell,
mine is really fluffy.
Yeah, mine is like super stretchy and stuff like this.
Ugh.
Oh gosh, did you guys see those crystals I just dropped out?
You should take out a crystal so you can show them the crystal. They're like glass,
They
right?
kind of look like glass, but they don't hurt. They're not painful at all. Oh gosh, I'm afraid you guys won't be able to see this. Yeah, you got? Can you see that? Oop, I just dropped it.
What?
Can you see it? Yeah, you do. Okay. This one is actually a really nice slime and my thumb itches, so.
Aquaman.
Alright, KK, show them your slime. She made this.
I made this slime. It's super fluffy and super stretchy. And guess what? The best part about it is this. It does it on its own. And that.
That's probably so cool. Alrighty. Our next slimes, I'll go first. This is my slime that I made. I used it with blue metallic Elmo glue. By the way, you can get all of this glue that we use to make our slimes at Five and Below.
And her slime and the slime that I'm gonna show you in a few minutes.
Thank you, Five and Below, for sponsoring this video.
Yes. And make sure that you go to Five Below and check out some stuff because it's Five and Below.
Well, technically, no, it's not.
Yeah, technically it's not.
But some of the stuff there is actually $1 or $3 or $5.
Yeah, a lot of it is. And there is actually, what are they called again? That go in your ear that they're wireless?
AirPods. They have a set of AirPods there. Oh yeah, make sure to watch our channel. Go check out our channel.
And give us a huge thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Yeah, that's
My turn?
right.
Can you show me next slime?
Yes. Hold on, I gotta do a big bubble flex on them. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I can't believe I made this by myself.
Me too. I can't believe I made this one by myself.
These are super nice.
So, this is butter slime. And may you read this for them?
Okay, this is Neon Butter Slimy Gloop. It includes neon pink butter slimy gloop with mini foam balls.
And it's barely stretchy. Only if you use a knife it's stretchy.
Alright, now watch this, KK. Daddy's tired. My dad's tired. So this looks purple on camera, but it's really pink right here. So if you take the knife, oops, try not to chop off your finger. Oh, the TV just turned on. Dude, that's farther than the camera can see it. Alright, ready for the back? You might be able to see this one better. Whoa! It broke.
I
Alright.
better put this back in my container. And it's really fluffy and soft and thick.
Alright, guys.
Hard
love
to
you.
slush.
But we've got to go.
Bye.
You ever start watching Beyond the Tank?
Okay.
Can we watch it?
Technical slime difficulties. Phone difficulties. Alrighty. Ready to go? Alrighty. I'm so ready to do this.
We have an incredible product. It's 10 times better than anything else in the market. We're growing like gangbusters. We've managed managed to do it profitably. What else is there?
We're still rolling. KK, come back. Don't run away. KK.
I'm going back.
KK.
Entrepreneurs making it into the Shark Tank.
Look, Crystal.
I did.
And our last video that we made today.
No. No, we didn't. We just.
We gotta make something friggin'
We already showed them one today.
deal is when the real work begins. If we don't innovate, we're gonna die. And what happens to those who don't get a deal? It really was a low point.
Entrepreneurs have life-altering success.
Oh yeah, big shout out to Natalie Coffin and Lizzie Coffin.
Where's my money?
They are subscribed and kept their post notifications on.
You made a huge mistake. Millions of dollars.
I'm barely keeping my
I love giving my friend a hug, right? Alrighty, do your squirrel on.
My job is to get your job to run your business. This is what happens.
Okay, ready? Okay, now I have to
San Francisco, California.
My name is Evan
Okay.
Nicholson. I live in San Diego, California.
Evan and I were really good friends from college, and he called me one day and said, "Do you want to start an ugly Christmas sweater company?" I jumped in, and Tipsy Elves was born.
Nick and I pitched Tipsy Elves on Shark Tank on season 5. Our company is Tipsy Elves, and our slogan is not your mama's Christmas sweater.
Boom.
So you guys do this full time?
Alrighty.
Evan was a lawyer.
I quit last year to
Hello?
focus on this full time, and I was getting paid about $170,000
Hang
a year
on.
as a bonus.
That tells me you're all
Rolling it, rolling it, rolling. I don't think her butterfly can make a squirrel. We're gonna have to try that out.
Yeah.
Make it super skinny. This is how I make my squirrels. Most of the time.
to support our
Roll them,
efforts.
I roll them.